A great way to learn multiple words in English, all right, is with homophones, all right, because homophones have one pronunciation, all right? So they're words with the same pronunciation but different meanings, all right? So for example, we're going to start with there, all right? Now, there, first one we're going to go over, means a particular direction, all right? I'm going over there, all right? She lives over there, all right? Particular direction, a particular place, all right? Next one, there, all right? Same pronunciation, meaning belonging to, all right? And a group of people, more than one, all right? More than one person, all right? So their family, their house, their children, all right? Once again, same pronunciation. Then we have their, which is a contraction of they are. Once again, referring to more than one person. They're going to the beach, or they're over there. All right. So once again, look into homophones. All right. So instead of trying to learn every pronunciation, which is difficult whenever you're learning a new language, trying to remember the pronunciations and get all the pronunciations down, you can learn one pronunciation and multiple words at the same time. This is Omar Maitre from Language Maitre. Like, subscribe. Hopefully that was helpful.